Welcome to the video lecture on programming in C. In this video lecture, I am going to introduce the C programming language. First, let us look at some history of C. C was developed by a person called Dennis Ritchie when he was working at the Bell Laboratories. He used the languages of ALGOL, BCPL and B to develop C. His aim was to overcome the limitations of those languages and to develop a highly versatile language which can be used for all kind of programming tasks. He succeeded in his mission by creating the C language. C language was so powerful that an entire Unix operating system was developed using C. We will see the features of C that makes it one of the greatest programming languages. C is a high-level language, so we can write our programs simply by writing the statements in English. C compiler will then take care of converting the programs into machine codes which are understandable by the computer. C has the capability for writing programs that interact with the computer's hardware components and control their operations. So C is also termed as a middle level language. C is a structured language, so we can develop our programs by dividing them into multiple functions. Programs written in C on one platform are easily portable to another platform with little or no changes. C has a unique feature of pointers through which programmers can directly manipulate memory locations and can implement dynamic memory allocation schemes. C programs run faster than many other programming languages. C has the largest collection of library functions which are developed by people over the years. So developing programs in C takes less time and effort since we can make use of the existing functions from the library. Unlike other languages, C puts very less limits on the programs. It lets the programmers to write and run the programs as they wish. It is the programmer's responsibility to avoid a lot of mistakes which are ignored by the C compiler. All these features have resulted in the enormous popularity of C even after several years of its introduction. Developing a program requires a series of tasks. Now we will see the steps to be followed to develop C programs. First we need to type the program. Then we need to compile the program with the help of the C compiler. The command to invoke the compiler is gcc followed by the name of the program. Compiler does two things. First, it identifies all the syntax mistakes that we would have made in the program and makes us correct them. Then it converts the program into machine code or executable code. After compilation, we can run the program. By typing /a.out, we can run the program. During execution, the program may take input from users, and finally the output is displayed to the user. To simplify the task of program development, today there are a lot of IDEs which are integrated development environment tools available. They let us type, compile and run programs in one place. For beginners, it is better to use an IDE to develop programs.